This is the gray one, a computer without microprocessor. Its CPU is exclusively based on read-only memory.
With a set of 6 instructions, it can execute all the programs that can be run by any conventional computer. The final version will drive a LED matrix, but for the moment let's watch this prototype to run a program calculating the first values of the Fibonacci sequence. Here is the code of the program that has been loaded into the computer's memory. Its size is 80 bytes. And here is the machine in action. Now some technical details. Until the 1970s, computers' CPU were made of logic gates and flip-flops used to build registers and counters. Since 1970s, the logic circuits, counters, and registers were incorporated into microprocessors. But in the gray one, EPROMs play the roles usually filled by microprocessor counters and registers. The counters and the registers are implemented by connecting some data outputs of an appropriately encoded read-only memory to some of its address inputs. To meet the constraints imposed by this approach, the counters use gray code instead of base 2. Two successive values differ only by 1 bit. That's why I called this computer the gray one.